Hello everyone, this is Sam from SaberiSixRealEstate. This is going to be a vlog. I don't usually do vlogs. I'm going to try one. Maybe it's going to be good, maybe it's going to be boring. But in today's video or vlog, I'm going to go door knocking and I'm going to film as much as I can. I'm trying to hit 50 houses today. Right now, I'm going to go pick up the flyers. I'm handing out a flyer and letters, and I had a friend prepare those flyers and letters for me so I can go hand them out. And yeah, so first I'm going to go pick up those materials. And then once I pick them up, I'm gonna go door knocking. All right, everyone, so just picked them up. They're in my hands right here. The sun is out today. Is that what people do in vlogs? Talk about the weather? I don't know. But anyways, about to go to my office, get prepared, print some information, and then yeah, go hit the houses. So I'm at my home office right now. I'm about to go inside, maybe eat breakfast. It's currently kind of early to go to people's houses. I mean, let's be honest, door knocking can be intrusive as it is for homeowners, so I don't want to go too early, right? So I'm gonna go to my home office, eat, get prepared, go, and maybe inside I'll expand a little bit more behind my motivations and give a little more context, right? Looking at the wrong side of the camera here. All right, anyways guys, I'm about to leave the office in a quick second and go start my route and door knock, visit the homeowners. I just wanted to explain quickly why I'm picking this area and give you a little background, right? So for the longest time, I went to different areas, but the reason I've decided to canvas this new area, which I can generally say is the Richmond Hill area, but more specifically, unfortunately, I do not want to disclose the specific community which I'm visiting. But the reason I am choosing this new community to door knock and canvas has to do with the fact that I have an emotional attachment of sorts to this community. And my goal and objective is to be as authentic as possible when I communicate to people and claim that I am the neighborhood agent and I know the neighborhood and community and I consider myself a community member. Thus, as a result, if I want to be authentic and convey those messages, I thought it was best to pick a community in a neighborhood which I have strong ties to. And if you really want to know, this is the area which I spent most of my formative years in. I went through public school, high school, met most of my friends, have a lot of memories, good and bad, spent up to a decade plus in this area. Thus, as a result, I thought, you know what? It is the best area for me to go and make it my area, my neighborhood. All the previous areas I worked in with sellers, with buyers, obviously, you go wherever, but with sellers, all the other previous places, I'll still work there as well. However, I want to make this new area, this new neighborhood in Richmond Hill, my neighborhood. So the goal for today is 50 homes, 50 houses, and to talk to 50 people, but obviously not all 50 people will be home when I go door knocking. And yeah, I'll try to keep you posted, updated. Unfortunately, I cannot film the whole entire process. It will be intrusive and I don't have consent of the homeowners to film the property. However, I'll try to keep you in tune as possible. So now I'm parked in the area in the neighborhood, about to grab about, I would say 10 to 15 letters, put them in my back pocket, walk, door knock. And then that's the thing, you know, I don't want to go with my car running at all times, so I have to keep walking back to the car, grab more letters, walk back to the house where I left off last. So here we go. All right, so just got done with the first batch, gave up about 10 in this one street here. I would say it went okay. With the 10 I actually handed out, only spoke to actually 3 people, I would say. And 2 of those 3 interactions were very, very positive. The other 7, I knocked on the door, they didn't answer. Typically when this happens, I don't keep knocking. I just put it in the mailbox, I go. And same with the other interactions I have when people actually answer the door. I don't try to ask them, hey, are you trying to sell your house? Do you have a real estate agent? That comes off a little too pushy and strong. Just have a casual conversation with them. And yeah, hopefully create some goodwill. All right, so here in a different street in the neighborhood, about to hand out 10 to 15 more. I'll come back to you with feedback once I'm done. I just realized that this might not be the most exciting vlog for people to watch because ostensibly all I'm doing is just videotaping the aftermath and before. I'm not really videotaping the door knocking itself, but unfortunately I don't have consent to do so. I would have to ask for consent prior, and B, I would believe it would be a bit intrusive for homeowners if on this weekday I just filmed my interactions with them. Anyways guys, I just got back from door knocking. I hit about 30 of the 50 homes I wanted to hit. That means there's 20 I didn't. Even if I did hit all the 50, obviously this neighborhood / community that I'm focusing on contains way more than just 50 homes. It's somewhere in the hundreds, I would say about 500 homes in that neighborhood alone in Richmond Hill. So 30 out of 50, I could have done better. Had a lot of good interactions. Some of the people actually said that I went to school with their kids, and they asked me if I recognized the names of their kids, which is interesting. So I think the whole community salesperson thing is working out thus far, but it's very, very early in the stages of me developing my network in a new area, an area I really care about. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and review. Thanks.